Welcome. Today we're going to quickly do some conversions of logarithms. Just remember log base b of some number that we want to equal is going to equal the exponent. So when I look at this expression over here, I notice the base of my exponential is 10. That means my base of my logarithm is 10. That's why I don't see a number here. And 10 raised to what power is going to equal 10? Or in other words, the exponent on my 10 is what goes here. So I just type in a 1. Again, ln is the natural logarithm. I want to get an outcome of 6. So e raised to what power is going to give us 6? Well, that's 1.792. Approximately. That's why they do the little squiggly equal sign. So again, they've given us the logarithm, base 3. There's my base. So again, what I should really be doing is I should be matching up. So base, exponent, exponent, the number I want to equal, the number I want to equal. So that number should be 3, not e, 3. Again, I'm going to match up. My base of my logarithm is the base of my exponential. The exponent of my logarithm is, or the exponent of my exponent is the answer to my logarithm. And then the 16 is the only other number that's left. That's going to go right here. It's the 16 that we want to get out. 4 squared is 16. Log base 4 of 16 is saying 4 raised to what power is 16? Well, that's base 2. So hopefully this is getting easier for you. Again, if you need to, remember to just off to the side, have this written down. Any number b raised to the e, where b is a positive, by the way, b raised to the e is equal to some number. Our logarithm form of that expression is logarithm base n, not base n. Wow, that was horrible. Base b. The bases are the same. Base b on the exponent means it's a base b on the logarithm of n equals our exponent. And remember that if you see just plain old logarithm, that's going to be a base 10 that isn't written. If you see ln, that's a base e where the e is not written. So here, all I got to type in is base 8. 8 is the base of my exponent. It must be the base of my logarithm. If you have questions on this, please do bring them to class. Here's one that's the natural logarithm. Again, e is my base. That's why I don't see a little e there, because it's just ln. The outcome of 0.018 is what I'm taking the log of, and that should equal whatever the exponent is. So that would be -4. Not 54, -4. You could probably do this just by elimination, comparing what two numbers you have in this top one versus what two numbers we have, or what 3 numbers we have in the known versus the 2 numbers we don't. We have a 0, a 1, and a 1, so the only thing that's left is whatever the base of this logarithm is, and if it's not written, remember it's always a 10.